Hydrive has the largest engineering team in the Australian service body industry, and as a result we've been able to dedicate significant engineering resources to coming up with a really smart way to integrate a crane base with a truck tow bar. It's a simple design of 4 pieces. You've got 2 side plates, your tow bar and your crane base, and they're all held together with just 4 rods and 8 bolts. A lot of our competitors in the industry have many more components. They've created a jigsaw puzzle, and as a result there's a lot more failure points in their engineering designs. We've got less points of potential failure, and as a result we're very confident that our system is going to be more durable for the long term for your business. So feel free to book an appointment with a Hydrive mobile workspace specialist. We'd be keen to understand your trade and build what you need to succeed for years to come.